How to resolve QuickBooks error 12029 for quick solutions. Solution 1. Check security settings. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu, type in Windows Firewall, and open it. Step 2. Select Advanced Settings. Step 3. In the next window, right-click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Step 4. Next, in the Protocol and Ports tab, select TCP. Step 5. In the specific local ports, enter the ports required for your QuickBooks version and select Next. Step 6. Now, select Allow the connection, and then Next. Step 7. When prompted, make sure all profiles are marked and then click Next. Step 8. Create a rule and name it like QB ports, year, and once you're done click on Finish. Solution 2. Create Windows Firewall exceptions for firewall programs. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu, search for Windows Firewall, and open it. Step 2. Select Advanced Settings. Step 3. Right-click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Step 4. Now, select Program and then Next. Step 5. Select this program path and then click on Browse. Step 6. Find and select a QuickBooks executable files, then click on Next. Step 7. Select Allow the connection and then Next. Step 8. If prompted, make sure that all profiles are marked and then click Next. Step 9. Create a rule and name it like QB ports, year, and once you're done, click on Finish. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks File Doctor to configure firewall automatically. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it in your system, download and install it from. Step 2. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 3. Open the Tool Hub and select Company File Issues. Step 4. Select Run QuickBooks File Doctor and wait for it to open. Step 5. In QuickBooks File Doctor, select your company file from the drop-down menu. Step 6. If you don't see your company file, click on Browse to find your company file. Step 7. Select Check Your File and Network and click on Continue. Step 8. Enter the QuickBooks admin password and then click on Next. Step 9. Wait for the tool to finish scanning the file. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Re-install QuickBooks in Selective Startup. Step 1. Press the Windows plus or keys to open Run command. Step 2. Enter Misconfigured and then click on OK. Step 3. In the General tab, select Selective Startup and load System Services. Step 4. Now, go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services and click on Disable All. Step 5. Next, uncheck Hide All Microsoft Services, select Window Installer from the list and click on OK. Step 6. On the System Configuration window, click on Restart. Step 7. Click on the Windows Start menu, search for Control Panel and open it. Step 8. Select Uninstall a program under Programs. Step 9. From the list of programs, select your version of QuickBooks Desktop and then click on Uninstall/Change. Step 10. Then select Remove and click on Next. Step 11. Now, download the QuickBooks as you would normally from. Step 12. Once done, press the Windows plus or keys to open Run dialog box. Step 13. Type in Misconfigured and then click on OK. Step 14. In the General tab, select Normal Setup and click on OK. Step 15, on the System Configuration window, click on Restart. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.